In this video, I will show you APA Format 7th edition step by step. You will learn how to format an APA title page, how to write APA in-text citations, and how to create a correct APA reference list. Once you understand these three parts, APA formatting becomes much easier. Let's begin. APA stands for the American Psychological Association. It is one of the most widely used formatting styles in academic writing, especially in psychology, education, nursing, and the social sciences. This style covers three main things: page formatting, in-text citations, and the reference list. In this video, we will focus on APA 7th edition. This is the most recent version of the APA style guide, published in 2019. Before writing your paper, the first step is to set up your document correctly. Start with the font, use Times New Roman, size 12. Next, check the spacing. Your entire document should be double-spaced. That includes the title page, the body of the paper, and the reference list. Now check your margins. APA requires 1-inch margins on all sides of the page. Finally, insert page numbers. Place them in the top right corner of every page. Once these four settings are correct, your document foundation is ready. Now let's look at the title page. In AP, a 7th edition, the title page for student papers follows a simple structure. The first line is the title of your paper. Write the title using title capitalization and format it in bold. Then leave one double-spaced line. After that, write your name. Use your first name, your middle initial if you have one, and your last name. On the next line, write the department and the institution name. For example, Department of Psychology, University of California. Below that, write the course number and the course name. For example, PSY 101, Introduction to Psychology. The next line is the instructor's name, and the final line is the due date of the assignment. For example, March 14, 2026. All of these lines should be centered and double-spaced. Avoid adding images, borders, or decorations. Another common mistake is adding a running head. In a PS 7th edition, student papers do not require a running head, unless your instructor specifically asks for one. Now let's move to the second part of APA style, in-text citations. APA uses what is called the author date citation system. This means that when you use information from a source, you include the author's last name and the year of publication. Let's look at a simple example. According to Johnson 2022, academic writing requires careful practice. Another correct version would be this: academic writing requires careful practice. Johnson 2022. The first example is called a narrative citation. The author's name appears as part of the sentence. The second example is called a parenthetical citation. The author's name and the year appear inside parentheses. Now let's look at a source with two authors. Johnson and Lee, 2022. Explain that strong organization improves essay quality. In a parenthetical citation, it appears as Johnson ampersand Lee, 2022. Inside the sentence, we write the word and. Inside parentheses, we use the ampersand symbol. If a source has three or more authors, you only write the first author's last name, followed by the words et al. For example, Garcia et al., 2021, found that structured writing improves comprehension. If you include a direct quotation, you must also include the page number. Johnson, 2022, page 45. Now let's look at the final part of APA style, the reference list. The reference list appears on a new page at the end of your paper. At the top of the page, center the word references. The word should be bold, but it should not be underlined, and it should not be enlarged. Every source cited in your essay must appear in the reference list, and every reference listed must also appear somewhere in your essay. Let's look at a book reference example. Brown, T., 2021, Academic Writing Fundamentals, Oxford University Press. Now let's look at a journal article example. Smith, A., 2020, Effective Thesis Strategies, Journal of Academic Writing, Volume 15, Issue 2, pages 34 to 50. If ADOI is available, include it at the end of the reference. Now let's look at a website reference example. Taylor, R., 2023, June 12th. How to cite sources, write smart lab, website address. There are 3 important formatting rules: alphabetical order, hanging indent, and double spacing. Before submitting your paper, run through this checklist. Is your paper in Times New Roman 12? Double spaced with 1-inch margins? Is your title page correct? Do your citations match your references, and are your references alphabetized with hanging indents? If yes, your APA formatting is in excellent shape. Formatting is not the hardest part of academic writing, but it is one of the easiest places to lose marks. Consider subscribing to Write Smart Lab for more academic writing tutorials.